In this video, I will be showing you how to jailbreak an iPhone using a software called Checkra1n. Checkra1n is actually a checkmate-based jailbreak that works on iPhone 5S up to an iPhone X and supports iOS versions 12 through 14.8.1. So first, you're going to navigate to the Checkra1n website. This link will also be provided within the comment section of this video. On the Checkra1n website, we'll scroll down to the download section and we'll end up downloading the latest version. I'm using a MacBook, so I'll simply drag and drop the file into the applications file to complete the downloads process. Now, if you get this verification error, don't worry, this is a common error and it's easy to fix. Open up Settings and go to Privacy and Security, where we'll then scroll down to the Security section. Here, all you have to do is simply click Open Anyway, and Checkra1n will open up automatically. Within Checkra1n, we'll first click Options and select Allow Untested iOS Versions. Next, you're going to plug in your iPhone into the computer and click Start on the Checkra1n software. Your iPhone should then automatically enter recovery mode by itself. Checkra1n will then give you instructions to put your device in DFU mode, so just follow them as seen. If you mess up, no worries, you can always try again as many times as you need. Alright, so it looks like the iPhone successfully entered DFU mode, so now we can just sit back and let the Checkra1n software install the jailbreak. Once your device turns back on, feel free to unplug your phone from your computer. Now, as you can see, two new apps should appear on your iPhone. The first is the Checkra1n software that installed the jailbreak, and within here you can uninstall the jailbreak if needed and restore your system to its original settings. The second app is called Cydia. This essentially is the Jailbroken Appstore. Within here you can install thousands of custom-made apps and it will allow you to mod your phone to the fullest. If you want to see more items on this, I'll be making a video on some of my favorite Cydia apps, so be sure to check out my page for more. With that, I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.